Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today we are going to see the mean and median, the different types of it. We have already done some in my previous videos. You can see them. So you can see the previous videos for the mean and median, and these are some more types. So now see what this one. This is we'll see for the mean first. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is given, here mean is given as 8, and you have to find the value of p. So this is the table given. So first thing, what we have to do, we have to find the frequency distribution. The means the mean of this frequency distribution is given. This is as 8, and you have to find out. Can you see here p? So we have to find this value of the p. So let us prepare the table first. So here the variable, this is called as xi, the frequency, and you have to multiply this into this. So that will be fi into xi. So same thing, whatever is here, the first part is written here in a vertical way. Again, this frequency, this is written in a vertical way, and this is xi and this is fi. So what you have to do, you have to just multiply this into this. This is 18. 5 into 8, this is 40. 105, and this one, see, 9 into p, that will be 9p. This will be 88. This is going to be 52. So what are you going to do? This sign indicates that this is called the summation. So summation of, we have to see of fi. So now what are you going to do? You will add all this and this one. So you get 41, and this is p. So you're going to write here plus p, because we don't know what is here number. So we'll put here separate p. Same, now look at here. What are you going to do here? This will be summation of this fi into xi. This is fi into xi. So you are going to add on this one, and that is 303, and you have to add this 9p plus 9p. So hope you got this one first. So now we will go for the formula. The formula for the mean is, because they have given the mean, and mean they have given as 8. So let us start with the formula for mean. So for formula for mean is here summation of fi into xi divided by summation of fi. This you have to learn. And the mean is given as 8, that is already given here. So below this mean we will write 8. And this, what is the summation fi into xi we have done over here? That is 303 plus p, that we will write it over here, and summation of fi, and that is also here, that is 41 plus p. So now what are you going to do? You will cross multiply here. So this goes on this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So it goes there. So what will be the 8 multiplied by 41 plus p, and this is the right hand side will be as it is. So whenever we have such type, what we do, we expand this one. So what will be that? 8 into 4 is 41, that will be 328, and this is going to be what? 8 into p, that is going to be 8p, and this as it is over here. So now let us bring the variables, let us keep on one side, and the constant. Constant means, what do you mean? Constant means without a variable. This p is the variable over here. So now see this 328, same here. This 303, you will bring it on the left hand side. So this is going to get, actually this is plus, so it is going to get subtracted. 9p is on the right hand side, keep as it is. This you have to go along with the sign. So this is plus. So when it goes to the other side, it is going to be minus p. This is very important. So now when you subtract this, you get 25. And 9p minus 8p, that is going to be 1p. But we usually don't write 1. So the answer is p. So what will we write? Same thing. Either you write 25 is equal to p or p is equal to 25. Both is the same. So this, we wanted a value of p, what is asked in the question. So this is the final answer. Now let us go for the median. They said find the median of for the following frequency table. Again, this table is given. So whenever this for the median, what are we going to do? First thing, we are going to arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means, what do you know? Ascending means small to big number. Small to big. So now we will look, these are the marks of 10 and these are the number of students. So these are the marks of 10 and these are the number of students. So first thing, what are we going to do? We are going to arrange the marks in the ascending order. So which is the first one? Small number is 15. So 15. Then it's 17, 17, 20, 20, 22 and 22, 25 and 25 and 30 and 30. So now you know below this 15, how many students are there? 3. So you will write 3. See here, when you are writing here in the ascending order, that means you have to go along with that only. Then this 17 and 5 here, 17 and 5, 20 and 9, Hope you got this one. Okay, go along with the number of students so that you don't make a mistake. Hope this is clear to you. Now, so we already got this table now. Now we have to see the cumulative. This is something new, cumulative frequency table. So what are you going to do? The same thing, whatever we had the marks of students, this one, marks obtained and the number of students. So we are going to write here marks obtained, number of students, and we are going to add one more column that is called the cumulative frequency. So I will show you how to do this cumulative frequency. First thing, these numbers are as it is, marks obtained is here. See now, whatever you have changed in the ascending order, same thing you have to write it over. See, this was changed in the ascending order, not the from the question. Whatever change after the ascending order, same thing you have to write here in a vertical way. Same here for the number of students. Now it is already arranged in the ascending order. You will write it over here. And the cumulative frequency. Now I'll show you what. See here. Now you're just concentrated on the number of students over here. So first number is 3. Number of students. So you will write here 3 as it is. So the second number is 5. So what are you going to do? This 5 plus 3, that is 8. So you are going to write it over here. Third, what you are going to do? You are going to put 8 plus 9 is 17. Now look at the arrows. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. This is very important how to go. And here 27 plus 10 is 37. So here this is the last number. So you know this is 37. And when you add this all also, you get 37. So this adding and this one, whatever the last number, you get 37, both the same. So now what you have, total number of terms, that is 37. Now which is odd? 37 is odd, right? So there are two formulas in this one. So you will look at my previous video for that one. Wherever the number of terms is this one, is whenever that is odd, that is a different formula. And whenever you get somewhere this number as even, that will be a different formula. So you can look at the previous video for that one. So here we have odd. So you are going to follow this formula. So median of marks. This is the formula. Marks obtained by n plus 1 by 2 student. That is what is that? N. N stands for number of. Here you can also write N. N is 37. Okay, so in place of n, you are going to put 37. Rest all is the same. So now what is that? 37 plus 1, that is going to be 38. This is same as this. Here that will be now 2 ones are 2 19s are. So marks obtained by 19th student. That is what. See here. Now can you see the number of students after taking the cumulative frequency where you can see 19. 19 is in between this 17 and 21, right? So here in this case, this is very important step. So we don't have the number 19 directly, but we have that 19 comes before 21, right? So we have to look for this 21st number. So this is what 22. Just again, I repeat, for the 19th means it cannot be 17, because we have to look at the next number, that is 21, and this will be 22. So what you are going to do, marks obtained by 19th student, that is going to be 22. This is very different. So median of marks, that is 22. Hope that is clear. Again, I repeat, what is that? That is 19. So we have to look for this number and not 17. So you will go this way. And what is that? That is 22. Marks obtained is 22. So median of marks is 22. Now we have to see for the find the median of the following frequency table. This table is then given. Again, this you are going to arrange in the ascending order. Ascending means 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Then comes 10, 10. Then 12 and 15, 12 and 15. And again, what did I say? See that when you are giving 3 means it should be together. Then 6 means it should be together. 7 means this Fi and Xi, that should be together. So that is very important. Otherwise, if you miss a single number from here anywhere, the answer is going to be wrong. Now you have to prepare the cumulative table, what we did in the previous one. Again here, either you write variable, this is Xi. Then frequency, Xi, this one. So this is in the horizontal way. Same thing will be written in the vertical one. Horizontal, you will write in the vertical one. Now cumulative frequency, as I said, this first number will be the same. Second, what are you going to do? See here, see my arrows. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. And 30 plus 10 is 40. Now this is 40, right? So when you add this also, it comes to 40. Now, so that means what are going to do? Number of terms, that is n is 40. Now, so can you see here? Previously, it was the odd number. This is the even number. So even number, the formula changes. So this is the formula for that one. And in place of this n, you can go to the formula, and of course, you have to write it in your notes. So n is 40. So in place of this n, you are going to write 40. Rest all is the same. So now 40 by 20 means here will be 20. So this is the 20th term. Here will be what? This will be again 20, and 20 plus 1 will be, you will write first one step 20 plus 1, and then you are going to write here this 20 as it is, then it will be 21st term. So what are we going to do? Now see this half and value of 28th term. So can you look at this table? Again here 28th term is here. So how much is that? That is going to be 7. And you will look the 21st term. So where is 21st term? 21st term is in between 20 and 22, as I said earlier. Now you cannot look at this, but you are going to look at here. So you will go like this. So that is 10. So this is going to be 10, and this is going to be 10. This will 17. And when you divide this 17 divided by 2, that is, you get here 8.5. So the median is 8.5. So by this one, we have completed this, the mean and the median. Okay, so please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.